時40分です。鳥がすごい。
すごいね。
月が出てる。
楽しみだね。
はい。楽しみ。
すごい。大きい。
You can tell the gender by looking at the forehead. The forehead of a male is round shaped, round, female square shaped. So I can use my hand to make. Lion, it's actually very, very far. They are eating a giraffe. One, two, three. I think you can see a cub now. Quick pictures and then we leave,
Okay.
That's beautiful. There's small babies there. I just need to put this down so that you can. Looks like their legs are white, but the original color of their legs is black. Yes. So they just defecate on their legs as a way of cooling the body. No questions.
Okay.
So the small brownish one is the African jacana. African jacana, nicknamed the Jesus bird. Jesus bird, yeah. So from a distance you would think it's walking in the water, but the truth is they walk on aquatic plants. That is the African sacred ibis. The size of the hippo. It knows that a hippo is big. As it moves through the grass, it will disturb a lot of insects. It's easy for the bird to pick and follow.
So smart.
And this one, is it male or female?
Could be a male.
Seems to be a lazy.
Grey heron, puppy pretty. Nina mahipopul vati. These are the chakma baboons. Chakma. Chakma. But these are the chakma baboons. Chakma. Chakma. South Africa. South African country. They will be eating those parasites.
How old can it be? So impalas do fight for dominancy. He can have up to 30 plus females, sometimes up to 60. And then losers like these two, they would form a group which is called the Bachelor Head or the Boys Club.
Yes.
でもライオンも寝てたけど、
見れたね。
まあなかなか動いてるところはそう簡単に見えない。
俺カバを気に入れた。
ね、カバ可愛かった。でっかいね、でも。
あんなテカテカなんだね。いい体験だね。
楽しいよね。結構これに乗って
ドライブでね。これそう。これ映せてなかった。かっこいいよね。あ、こっち来るよ。転がしてる、本当に。
Особенно солнце зрение, або жириное на солнце.
Right. It's just lying down now. Remember in the morning we saw one with a cub, but I think these other ones are from the carcass. They have just moved to this side.
Надо посмотреть, слева.
おお、すごいすごいすごいすごいすごい。
The smell.
お
Oh, there is a cub. Cub
お、あ
running.
あ、いたいたいたい
There is a cub running.
た。すごい。
Terbianta.
That cub is running.
ね、
Be killed.
あ、起きたね。
Oh, I wanna read some of that. The cub is actually running this way.
そう。
Beiste migrema.
あ、いるね。走ってる。
Did anyone hear any call? There's a call from the lion. It's only that the elephant is so loud. But one of the lion is producing a call. It's not very loud. It's called contact call. Just trying to locate the cub
ああ。
because it was running.
うん。
Go the direction she left them and start producing that call, and then you see the cubs coming to her. But in this case, she doesn't know where the cub is, but I heard the sound, the call, this side. But the cub is just here. Obviously, call, this side. But the cub is just here. Obviously, hiding in.
はい、宿に戻ってきました。
入りまし
お疲れ様でした。いや、気持ちいいね、朝からね。
た。もう一仕事終えた気分。
9時だけど。
楽しかった。なんかさ、一つ一つの動物も楽しかったけど、なんかあんなにたくさんの種類の動物とか生き物が住んでる公園にさ、入れたことの嬉しさっていうかさ
本当だから手つかずだよね。
ね、だってフェンスないって言ってたもんね。
確かに。だから象もいるよね、そりゃ、
ね、
あの辺にね。
いや、すごいわ。結構野生の象がさ、感動したかも。
確かに。あんなにだって最後の方とかさ、速く走ってたりとかさ、あんなん見れないよね、やっぱ動物園じゃね。
象は動物園でこうやって止まってる象しか見たことなかったから、あんな走ったり泣いたりする象初めて見た。
確か
いや、面白い体験だった。
に。いいね、満足度高いね。やっぱサファリいいね、楽しい。
ね。あとやっぱりガイドさんがすごいいっぱい説明してくれてさ、
そうね。
ありがたいよね。
英語でね。
知らないこといっぱい。
ね。お疲れ様でした。
はい。